Mahtob, what are you doing?
I'm imitating rain. Yay.
It's okay, Sarah. We're Canadian.
Because I saw the water.
Mahtob, where are you? Mahtob, why are you using a hose? You should be using a real sniper. You're wasting water.
It's okay, I'm Canadian. We got lots of Great Lakes. We're all like drinking from the lakes, and we got all the water we need.
But that's your 5th shower today.
But Bonnie, I got a piece of dirt on my finger. It's okay. I'm Canadian and I have a...
feel you. That is how I know you go.
Mahtob, what are you doing?
I'm gonna take my dog with the hose.
Why?
Because it's fun. I could be watering the flowers, but it's okay to waste water. Because I'm Canadian. I have Great Lakes. Dad, why are you disciplining me? You couldn't send me and save water. You know what? It's okay because we're Canadian.
Mahtob, what are you doing?
Playing with my best friend hose.
And Mahtob, you're wasting water.
But Bonnie, we live in Canada. The Great Lakes are everywhere. So Paige!
Well, Mahtob, I think that's a wrap.
Should we turn that off?
Yeah.